Hello guys, this is Locs Concept. Thank you guys for subscribing to my YouTube channel. Keep on commenting, liking, subscribing, and sharing our content. So on today's video, we did braids, two braids to be specific, and this is how you do it. It's a simple tutorial on how to braid on locks. So basically, you take the right strand, put on top of the left, then take the middle as you proceed down. So kindly keep on sharing, subscribing, and liking our content. We don't take it for granted. You can also follow us on our other social media platforms at Locs Concept. That's Instagram, YouTube, Google, Yelp, any other social media app, Twitter. We are all over. So kindly keep on doing that. We appreciate, and I will keep on giving you the content that you guys need. So enjoy the video. Keep commenting. Thank you.